Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 13, 2026, Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong April 13, 2026, Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, April 13, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. the result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 13, 2026, Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, April 13, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of April 13, 2026, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.